It's your bestie Coco Bunny. Welcome to Life with Coco Bunny, the cozy corner where I bring you behind the scenes of building my brand, Lounge Bunny Collective. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found me. And if you're one of my day ones, hey girl, hey! It feels like forever since we last talked. Can I tell you about a real order that went out this week? Not just what she bought, but why she chose it. Because when someone chooses toasted cocoa, it's never random. This order was for Tani, a first-time customer. And what I love about first-time customers is they buy when something clicks. They don't want to scroll forever. They don't want to guess if something will work. They want something that already feels done. That's exactly why she chose toasted cocoa. Most women aren't shopping for clothes because they're bored. They're shopping because they're tired. Tired of changing outfits twice. Tired of feeling underdressed. Tired of comfort meaning sloppy. Toasted cocoa is for the woman who wants to feel confident immediately, without thinking. You put it on, and your day already feels handled. Some people ask if this is pajamas, and the answer is no. Pajamas are for hiding. This is for living. It's made to move with you, inside, outside, errands, work from home, coffee runs. It's comfortable, but it still looks intentional. If you want to see how it actually lands when it arrives, I want you to watch Tani open her order. There's a video on this channel where she shares her first impression, and it says more than I ever could. Go watch that next. Details are always linked when you're ready. Blessed day, bestie.